All right. So I think we are close to the end of this anyway.
Okay.
So the advisory process can be through a program, and individual people can always seek each other's advice depending upon whom they find suitable. It's only in spirit. There is no compulsion in any case. And in general, the collaborative process, I'm saying, if we find someone outside the Cosma group who we find is also suitable to come into this fold, we can invite people, because then you have more possibility of group formation. So that's the last part. And I think with that, I kind of complete what I have to submit.
Thank you, Samir.
Thank you, Samir. Thank you.
My pleasure.
Great, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Samir.
Thank you all.
So one thing I would like to add.
Yeah.
Since I have also spoken to people like Shashin Shah, who is part of BIA. BIA has a system in which they do something called matchmaking, where they have small sessions of 10 minutes. It's like an introduction. So they may have a team of 20, 10 sitting across each other. And you know, so then this process, what we are doing virtually, the same thing later on perhaps can be extended in that way also.
Yeah, I know they have a networking program. It's very well run. I agree with that. Yeah, that makes sense. Yeah. The only thing is that whatever we've decided, if this can be structured into the next few, whatever programs we have at Cosma, like the way we decided, then I think that will be sufficient. So we can start with,
Anand, you have to take notes, huh?
So, all right. So I think enough for today, I guess, from my side. If anybody else has any other agenda, please go forward.
I just thought I would suggest that we also look at a tagline for Cosma Cluster, and which will remind us in terms of what we are all here for together. And one of the phrase which comes to my mind is empowering collaboration. So, I mean, I thought empowering with a small m and a capital P would indicate that we are in the power business, and collaboration has to be the bottom line for Cosma Cluster, because unless and until we drop the thought of competition and look more into terms of collaboration, that is when things will really take off.
Very good.
Yes, very much.
Line. Yeah, I really think that this statement tagline is very appropriate, very well thought of, and I would endorse this.
The tagline is very apt.
Hello. Continue, sir. Samir, sir. Ramni was saying perfectly.
I am done actually.
To be carried forward.
Yeah. So the only thing is that we have to announce what is the carry forward of this, which has to be done beyond this program. And that's really the part taken from the notes from this. And the balance work has to be, really initiated. This is only starting point only.
I have also one more suggestion. Hello?
Yes, go ahead, sir. Go ahead.
I have one more suggestion, that at these meetings we can have one of us make presentation on a case study.
Case study.
Specific
Imagine,
order.
Imagining
Without naming, what were the fine points of the whole effort, so that from that others can also get some ideas. Similar to what Samir said, larger people can give advice to smaller.
So that has to be part of that program. You know, the more we try to communicate and a lot of people talk a lot of things, we may lose focus. So I think we must stay with only what we decide. Already too many people are into too many things. If somebody is going to get something out of it, you know, as a benefit or as a growth to business, this will attract people to join this. The more we have only communication without result, we are likely to go astray. So this is my personal view, but we have to stay very, very focused. This is the only way we'll get result.
Yes, that is true. That is true.
Okay. So now when is our next meeting, Anand?
Next meeting is on next Sunday. Okay, and that the subject is payment terms.
Next Sunday is on.
Sanjeev has already said the draft of the payment terms. Hello. Hello.
Yeah.
we can hear you.
So, sir, next Sunday, kya?
12th.
Hello, I cannot hear. Hello.
Yeah, same time, sir. 11. At 11.
12th.
Yeah, it's 12th April on 11 a.m. Same time.
Same. We'll continue with the same timing only.
Okay, Anand, one exercise, how to get more members of COSMA into this. Hello?
Yeah, Anandji, please.
How to get more members of COSMA into this dialogue. Somebody from the group, either Anand or Vishal or Pradeep, please work on it.
Right, sir.
Sir, can I get email and contact details of all members so we can, you know, email these Zoom meetings invitation to all.
Yes.
I'll find out who has got a soft copy of it. If it is available, I will see join connect. I will send to you.
So, once all members will come to know that these meetings are going on, so if someone is notes on WhatsApp can join the meeting.
Okay,
Yeah.
but now the only 20 members are allowed. So next, if the 20 more members exceed, what should we do? House party?
We can we can add here only. We can add here only, Anandji. More members we can add definitely here. Don't worry.
About 20 we can go.
Yes.
No,
sir.
this
Yes,
Zoom is a free version. Only the 20 member is allowed, sir. Not beyond that.
Pradeep ji,
Yes.
how many members we can add here, sir?
We can according to me, we can add more than 20, but however we'll inquire. If some subscription should be done, we'll just inquire what is the subscription we have to pay for.
Okay,
The
no issues.
legal
Buy
version.
a Zoom. We can buy a Zoom membership.
Yes,
Yes,
that's what I'm
yes.
saying.
Legal version we have to buy, sir.
Yes, sir.
Don't
Yes,
worry,
sir.
sir. Me and Pradeep bhai will find out and we can accommodate more members. Don't worry for that.
Okay.
Okay, our aim is to add more COSMA members into this meeting.
I think in the free version we have an option to add up to 100 members in the group, so that shouldn't be a problem.
guess
But
so.
if it is limited to 20, then like we all agreed, we can have a paid membership. But
Yeah,
the larger point, my opinion is to get more people because it is a huge initiative and a lot of effort is going on with all our time and effort into this. It is better that we have a bigger crowd at the initial stage where we understand the different points from everyone.
Yes.
Yeah. I
So now
agree.
the start is very good now. At least 2 meetings we have reached to very good level. Okay. So we'll continue with all these things. We'll notify it. Recording is already going on. So
Yes.
देखेंगे चलो. हाँ? So next
Right.
meeting on next Sunday, right? On payment terms. Okay. Sanjeev will guide it. Okay.
Hello, everybody.
Okay.
Yeah. Call up the meeting.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
hello,
Go
bolo,
ahead,
bolo.
President ji.
I hope I am audible to everybody.
Yeah,
Very
Sanjeev
much,
ji,
very
go
much
ahead.
Yes,
audible.
yes.
Okay. Okay. So far, I was
Okay.
only listening. I never stopped in between. because I was not knowing when I had to come and talk in between.
Go ahead, sir.
Anyway, as far as
बताइए.
As far as terms and conditions are concerned, we can, make as many as laws or regulations to follow. But that followership is required actually. Many people end up in not following the this thing. Whatever we make certain laws actually. If that is lacking, then any amount of whatever you make up ideal terms and conditions won't be helpful. You suppose conditions are like this. Government says, for buying a tender also you have to pay the fee. For filling the tender also you have to pay the EMD. And once you become L1, you have to pay the security deposit also, and then performance guarantee also. How we will overcome this kind of difficulty? In case of large corporates, say like big corporate, I don't want to take name. They just hand over first you 12 pages of document which you have to sign blindly. Otherwise, you are not in. Like that kind of terms and conditions are there. So we can make 12, 13 columns of required terms and conditions, but how to take it forward and how to implement it, that is the biggest problem.
So
and then I might say that I will circulate the terms and condition, and next day myself will go and break that law. Then how it is going to work?
So I'd just like to share something here. As a matter of information, I am also now chairman of SME division at EMA. And having attended some of the EMA meetings, I think the topics on payment and on government dealings relating to L1, etc., there is, and many of you might also know, there is a lot of work there which is already transpiring. Now, these are common topics and the industry is really the same. So I can bring forward at some point what is actually being done in very close communication with government and bodies, because this is a very constant topic out there. I'm sure many of you may already be involved. But this is just as a matter of sharing that, yes, here the two associations can actually share some of the data, because COSMA is much smaller than EMA. So at that level, we should know what's going on. And maybe some of the members are also members of EMA and can really, the goal is the same, it's no different. It's the same community and the same goals.
But how they are following, we need to know, no, sir?
Yeah, that we can share. I mean, I can share. There's nothing secret in that. So I can share some of those data.
What is ideal for us? I have already shared a 13 set of terms and conditions on the WhatsApp group, which Anand has created in COSMA Village. All of you can go through that, and then if you have any comments on that, you can comment on that, and then so that we can conclude that as a idea, the COSMA terms and conditions for doing a business.
Sure.
Yes.
No. Look at some of the in the industry, like real estate industry, their terms are very strict. Actually, suppose a person wants to buy a flat, and they will make such a terms and condition, he will be stuck.
Here comes who is big actually. In our case, we are a victim of both. Our supplier are also big. They are a corporate like L&T, Siemens, Schneider, that kind of thing. Our customers are also big. So we are sandwiched in between them. In case of builder, in builder case, the flat buyer is a very small entity for him. Though he is a customer, but he is a this thing. For him, he can twist the arm, twist him.
The way he is going to sign the paper, around 100 pages of paper, his life will be miserable. They will put such a clauses in their terms.
May I just suggest that before our next meeting, anybody who has any innovation or suggestion how this can be taken forward, because there is no utopia in this. There is no perfect answer. So only innovation will help. And what that innovation can come through is what people need to suggest. If there is something out of the box that somebody can come up with, can actually work. Otherwise, we are going to back to be just ruled by the circumstance, is what we are talking.
No,
Samir sir, our customers are also innovating in terms of these terms and conditions continuously.
I understand. This is a problem now we have not been able to solve all these years. So it cannot be solved by normal ways. So if something out of the box comes, maybe it's better, and maybe somebody can come up.
Mr. Samir, yeah, can you? Actually,
Yeah,
there is
please.
one rule which has come from the government that SME payment should be made within 45 days. Now, no, by and large, not everybody is obliging to that.
The one more is as a Cosma.
May I add something here? Hello?
Yeah,
go ahead.
Can I add something? Okay. Sudhir ji, this SME payment terms is there from quite some time now. It is not new thing. Newly, the government is insisting on it to being followed. We have something called SME payment terms, wherein the SMEs should be paid within 45 days. Anyone who has got an MSME certificate or an NSIC registration, while quoting to EPC contractors or any big customer or industry, public sector company, we can add this MSME certificate along with our quotation and send, and we can insist for MSME payment terms, which has to be given within 45 days. This can be done. This can be insisted on.
इतना भी नहीं करेगा तेको उल्टा तेको मैं बता रहा हूँ.
No. How many these things are following this MSME rules?
Nobody
Sir,
following.
we have we have to insist. We have to insist. All major clients will oblige, and that is what we are insisting on.
No, but the big clients, they specifically tell you if you want to go under that category, the possibility of you getting orders is the rarest. They tell you initially.
That is a sort of dhamki which I'll tell you. Most of the panel builders are MSMEs. If we collectively insist upon, then they will give. There are very few panel builders who are large scale or medium scale. So when each one of us insists for MSME payment terms, without divulging this rule, then each one of us will get this payment.
This is the bare basic requirement, frankly, and that everybody has to agree to adhere to. And it is as per the government rules. So it is nothing that we are making out of our own free will. So these are not rules which are made by COSMA. These are government rules.
See, if we lose the order because of this, one of our friends from the same membership will take the order. He's also a small or a medium enterprise.
I got one information. If you break, that big company breaks the rule of 45 days, there is a different court for MSME where you can apply that this party is not paying, and they have to pay because that judge of that particular court is my friend. I can get information from him and let you know next time.
Anandji, we have all the best rule in the country, but followership is lacking. That is the problem.
Sir, there is there is one forum called RXIL, which is Receivables Exchange of India Limited, where these big corporates get registered themselves. They get the credit period and we get the payment within this stipulated time. We can insist upon this terms of payment also. And this RXIL is a government initiative.
The day you start, using this kind of exercises, then you will have a fear of losing your customer. That is also there.
Sir, one thing we have followed since last 8 years.
Okay.
Whenever we insist on strict payment terms, we have lost customers. Never mind. We have lost around 10 to 15% of customers, but the 80% of the payment is there in the bank. Or the 100% of the turnover amount is there in the bank. Never mind the turnover dips by 10 or 15%. instead of waiting for 40% or 50% of payment for 6 months, 8 months, 1 year.
Very true.
Who
Point
really
is
cares about our
perfectly true.
turnover?
Ideal
Who cares
situation is
our
don't give credit, don't buy in credit. That's all. So
But
you,
all
as
this
long as you
really,
get
really,
in credit, you sell in credit. That's all. That's what it is actually.
no, really,
Not
if
really
we
that,
sit and
sir. It's that the banks are
watch for
giving you
ourselves,
credit, take the credit from the bank. Take the credit from the bank. The bank's business is to give you credit. Why take it from your fellow member?
So may I suggest that all the inputs that we have can be sent to Anand, and we can collate all these points and then run through them at the program on a Sunday so that we can go through them point by point in sequence.
Yes. Yes, send it to me. We'll discuss on point to point.
By
See,
that time, we'll list the points actually.
You just write down the points and then we'll discuss on point to point basis. Hello.
Yeah, Anand.
Hello. Anand, before you start the next meeting, first few minutes you give the account of what has transpired in today's meeting.
Yes.
So that you
Perfectly
continue
right. Yes. So you do one thing all. You send me all your email ID on this Cosmo Village email IDs. ये जो present है उस पे भेज दीजिए email IDs. So I'll send email to all. ठीक है?
Okay.
I just wanted to say, so everyone in this meeting have entered their email address in that survey. If
Yeah,
they
I
have,
did.
then I have the collection of all email addresses, so I can send that to Anand sir directly.
Yes.
If anyone has not entered their email address in the survey, please do so now, so I can send that entire list to Anand sir and he can collaborate continuously.
Yes.
Fine.
Please. So should we conclude the meeting?
Yes.
What Ramani sir has to say on the payment terms and conditions, actually, I wanted to hear from him also.
Yeah. Next
Ramani
meeting on payment terms and conditions. I'll note down all the points.
Yeah, so there are rules and there are people who break rules, and there are situations where we don't want to exercise the rules. So end of day, my belief is that unity is strength. And the more we are able to come together as an organization, if say my friend Uday Desai is having a problem with payment collection, if I go along with him, I think I'll be able to add a lot of value in that. And even if I'm able to call a client and tell him that kya ho raha hai ye, kya problem ho raha hai, I think that will carry a lot of weight. And if we are able to have 3-4 people doing it week after week, then the customer will have to buckle down. So end of day, I think it's how close we are going to get to each other, how collaboratively we are able to look at things, and how united we are in our stand that will make a difference.
I agree.
Sir, I request Madan Sahab also to add something on this actually. He's a big business by himself.
Madan Sahab is quiet today.
I think Madan is not there in the second session. After break, we didn't
Yeah,
join.
Madan Sahab is not there now.
Second session, but again.
No problem.
In the first half, he
So
was
we
there.
have
In
to,
second half-
Ramani sir, you mean to say we have to leave it to individual consciousness, or we have to enforce these conditions on somebody?
No, you see, it's the more united we are, the more strength we will have, is all I'm saying. And each situation will be different. Each situation will have to be dealt with differently. But the important thing is that if each one of us are able to extend our arm and support to the other, I think people in the market will get some message from us.
We have to become more or less dadas.
No, Dada.
Dada, it's a question of doing things right. See, I think you are a TI partner or a block partner, right, Sanjeev?
Yeah, I am TI partner.
TI partner. So now when you have a TI panel supplied to a customer and you're stuck with payment, does L&T come and support you? Do they come along with you? Do they put in a word to the customer? Or the fact that L&T is behind you, does it give a message to the customer?
So to a certain extent.
Yeah. So that is
But
that
they
is
don't play a
what,
major role in that.
yeah.
Everything we have to do it on our own because
Correct. And yeah, end of day, it's a win-win game which we'll have to work towards. But then the point is that you'll have that kind of a strength behind you. So just like you have the L&T strength behind you, can we have a Cosma strength behind us?
Yes.
we have to create that strength actually, sir.
Yeah. We have to create that strength.
For that,
So
sir, we
I
need
think,
discipline
you know,
because-
as the
Yes.
president of Cosma, I would urge you to take it very seriously to move to places like Delhi, Calcutta, Hyderabad, Chennai, and, you know, really we have to build. Samir Saab was saying that EMA is much bigger than Cosma. So I would say,
So
can
one
we
day
take
I
that up
want
as a challenge and see whether Cosma can become bigger than EMA?
One day we have
There
to
is definitely
hear
there is
from him that way.
definitely bigger scope. Hello.
Yeah. Yeah.
Definitely scope for
No, I
Cosma to
think
become bigger.
I
Many
think
more
Ramani Saab is right. Collaboration, unity, that unity will bring more people in. And this is a specific community within the larger electrical industry. So our strength has a specific set of problems. EMA being a larger framework, it's not having the specific problems that we have, and therefore our problems are different. So that's very much relevant and true. But EMA presents to government a lot of things, and that's where I feel that we can benefit from what is going on out there, so that we can also understand what is being leveraged or what is being, you know, put up, so that we as a subset of the larger picture can get our own benefit out of it. The goal being the same. So that's the context in which I'm saying bigger or smaller. But I agree with you in all aspects here.
Samir sir, one question to you. You are exposed to international businesses also. How they operate actually outside our country? They are working on credit basis only or no credit? How it is?
They work only on credit.
Only on credit. Okay.
Only on credit. And there are black sheep over there also.
Okay. So world is same.
World is, so you have to choose, but there are more white sheep than black sheep. That's the only benefit.
Okay. Okay, Anandji, please continue your agenda.
Now next meeting agenda will be of course payment terms, and agenda will be detailed afterwards by discussing with you. I'll put up on my अपना WhatsApp group जो है अभी ये Cosma village का नाम change करके Cosma cluster कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
Vishal, I hope you are listening.
Yes, yeah, I do.
And we'll continue with that Cosma cluster. Okay.
Right, sir.
Sure.
Okay,
So we
thank
follow
you.
up the meeting.
And
Yeah,
I
bye.
request all the participants to go through already I have sent one the Cosma terms, payment terms and conditions.
Yeah, received.
You can correct it or do amendments to that.
Okay.
That was same thing we can discuss in next meeting.
Yeah.